Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use VPN on smart TV. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To use a VPN on your smart TV, start by determining if your TV supports VPN apps. If your smart TV runs on Android, you can download a VPN app directly. Visit the Google Play Store on your smart TV. Search for your preferred VPN provider. Once found, click on the download button and install the app. After installation, open the VPN app. Log in with your account credentials. Select a server location of your choice and connect. If your smart TV does not support VPN apps, consider using a VPN on your router. Access your router's settings through a web browser. Log in using your router's admin credentials. Locate the VPN settings section in your router interface. Enter your VPN provider's configuration details. Save the changes and restart your router if necessary. Once your router is connected to the VPN, all devices, including your smart TV, will use the VPN connection. Alternatively, you can use a virtual router from your laptop. Connect your laptop to the VPN using your preferred application. Then, share your laptop's internet connection with your smart TV via Wi-Fi. On your smart TV, connect to the Wi-Fi network created by your laptop. Now, you can stream content on your smart TV with your VPN enabled. Enjoy enhanced privacy and access to geo-restricted content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.